You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. For more confusing names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got loads here. The most common pronunciation in English is as Jacqui, although some say it also as Jacqui, which is more of a French pronunciation, but generally how to pronounce Jacqui. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.